The female reproductive system. Role of the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system is a complex network of organs and structures responsible for producing eggs, ova, supporting fertilization, and nurturing a developing fetus. Here's an overview of its main components and functions. Structures. External structures. Internal structures. External structures. Vulva, the external part of the female genitalia, which includes the labia majora, labia minora, clitoris, and the openings to the urethra and vagina. Labia majora, the outer folds of skin that protect the other external reproductive organs. Labia minora, the inner folds of skin that lie inside the labia majora and surround the openings to the vagina and urethra. Clitoris, a small, sensitive protrusion that plays a significant role in female sexual arousal. Internal structures. Vagina, a muscular canal that extends from the vulva to the cervix. It serves as the passageway for menstrual flow, sexual intercourse, and childbirth. Cervix, the lower, narrow part of the uterus that opens into the vagina. It allows the passage of sperm into the uterus and menstrual blood out of the uterus. Uterus, a pear-shaped organ where a fertilized egg implants and develops into a fetus. The lining of the uterus, called the endometrium, thickens each month in preparation for a possible pregnancy. Fallopian tubes, two tubes that extend from the upper sides of the uterus to the ovaries. They are the pathways through which eggs travel from the ovaries to the uterus. Fertilization typically occurs in the fallopian tubes. Ovaries, two small, almond-shaped glands that produce eggs, ova, and hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Each ovary releases an egg during the menstrual cycle in a process called ovulation. Hormonal regulation. The female reproductive system is regulated by hormones produced by the ovaries and other glands, including the pituitary gland. Key hormones include estrogen, progesterone, luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. Menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is a monthly process that prepares the female body for pregnancy. It typically lasts about 28 days and includes several phases. Menstrual phase, shading of the uterine lining, menstruation, occurs if no pregnancy has taken place. Follicular phase, the pituitary gland releases FSH, stimulating the growth of ovarian follicles, each containing an egg. Ovulation, around the middle of the cycle, a mature egg is released from the ovary. Luteal phase, the ruptured follicle forms the corpus luteum, which secretes progesterone to maintain the uterine lining. If the egg is not fertilized, the corpus luteum breaks down, leading to menstruation. Fertilization and pregnancy. If sperm fertilizes an egg in the fallopian tube, the resulting zygote travels to the uterus and implants in the endometrium, beginning pregnancy. The developing embryo and later the fetus are nourished through the placenta, which connects to the uterine wall. Conclusion. Understanding the female reproductive system helps us appreciate the complexity of human reproduction and menstrual health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Study Sketch for more educational videos.